knows what everything is.
I do.
Well, that's a Classic Army M14, UTG L96. Is that an Echo?
Echo 1.
That's an Echo 1
That's
G36.
another Echo 1 G36.
Echo 1 G36.
ICS.
ICS AK, A&K SAW, G&G UMG, Classic Army AUG. What is that?
Classic Army G.
Classic Army. What is that?
MC52.
MC52. That's a Classic Army G36. MP5.
Classic
Classic Army.
Classic Army MP5, and that's WE 1911. And then there's Brian's SPR, his Classic Army, and then kind of AK is that?
UTG.
UTG AK. MP001. Alex's Classic Army / everything M4. UTG M14. Classic Army M24. Some random pistols, AEPs, and CO2, and a bunch of stuff. Kind of MP5s of these.
UTG shot and ICS.
UTG and ICS MP5s, and then Echo M16.
Well, it's like Classic Army.
Classic Army, Echo M16, whatever. And then it's a Maruzen, right? Maruzen, shotgun, and then M324. 1911 WE, and then there's Classic Army, CQB, KSC M93R, Classic Army M15 A4, Classic Army SOT mod, P90 TM, and then there's Classic Army MP5. Your channels, and then my KGW M9, and then HSC M9. That's pretty much most of the team's guns.
JJ, we're taking a picture of this in your palm.
What the fuck? Actual size. We should do a dick comparison.
No, Mike, no. Just hold it.
I had it out.